Question number 62. Single brothers registered in Uttarakhand has supplied 30 tons of a chemical at 50,000 per ton, excluding taxes, to P of Uttarakhand on 8 September 2021. The invoice for the supply has also been issued on the same date. Further, following additional amounts were also charged from P. So, first the value will be 50,000 and freight is also charged. So, freight is to be included because supplied 30 tons of chemical at 50,000 to P of Uttarakhand. So, therefore, it is to be included, and in the given price it is not because these are additional. So, we need to add. Then packing charges same, weighting charges same. Cost of instruments specially purchased by single brothers to manufacture the chemical. Yes, that should also be added. Is it charged to the recipient? So if it is charged to the recipient, yes, charge it to the recipient and it should be included. What if it is not charged to the recipient? Don't need to include. As per the terms of the contract of supply, single brothers is required to get the chemical inspected by an independent testing agency before delivery of the same to P. P has paid such inspection charges amounting to 12,000 directly to the testing agency. As per the contract, that needs to be tested. Means any amount that the supplier is liable to pay, but which is paid by the recipient, should be included in the value. Single brothers has also received 50 lakhs as a subsidy from state government for setting up a chemical manufacturing plant. This is not direct price related subsidy. This is general subsidy. General subsidy we should ignore. Then P Limited is required to make payment within 15 days of supply in terms of the contract. However, P Limited delayed the payment of consideration and made payment in November 2021 and thus paid 15,000 as interest. You are required to calculate the GST liability in this case and due date of deposit. Assume the rate of GST to be 18%. So, therefore, here in this case, what should be taken as the value? So, whatever is the basic price plus 1,80,000, 1,10,000, 20 and 3,10,000. And then inspection charges 12,000 also, but that 50,000 will not come. And interest. See, actually when the invoice is made in September. So, for September, this is the value. Now, interest, P Limited is required to make payment within 15 days. P Limited delayed the payment and made payment in November and thus paid 15,000 as interest. Means November month only, now that interest will be taxable. So, therefore, actually this question, so in answer, they have added interest normally. This is a study material question. They have added the interest normally. But when they added the interest, they excluded the GST and then added. So 15,000 into 100 divided by 118. Why 15,000 into 100 divided by 118? Because 18 divided by 118 is the rate of GST. We need to take interest as inclusive of GST. So therefore this should be taken. So 15,000 into 100 by 118. But actually according to me, so this should come in November month. That's where it's separated and should. Actually with this answer is over. Study material answer they completed there. But what I did is that for September, so 21,32,000. So on that GST, whereas for November, interest is 12,712 for the GST. Okay. So like that you show the breakup. So total you do. Then show the breakup for September month how much, for November month how much, like that. Okay. So here again what is the assumption they have taken? The interest is assumed to be inclusive of GST.